Today we are going to see how to do quick tomato facial in just 5 minutes. So to begin this, you will need tomato puree. To make a tomato puree, just take one tomato, cut it into a small pieces and then blend those small pieces by the help of blender to get smooth paste. And we are going to make tomato scrub and tomato face pack. So first let's prepare tomato scrub. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, half tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Just do mix it well and your tomato scrub will be ready. If you have an oily skin, then use this recipe as it is. If you have a dry to normal skin, then do add 5 drops of coconut oil or almond oil into this mixture. Now let's prepare tomato face pack. Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and half tablespoon of honey. That's all guys, just do mix it well and then your tomato face pack is ready. And the same procedure if you have dry to normal skin, then do add 5 drops of coconut oil or 5 drops of almond oil. So we have our tomato scrub and tomato face pack ready. Next, take around 500 ml of water in a saucepan and bring it to get well boiled. Then switch off the stove and place the saucepan in your comfortable place and get steam for 5 minutes. Once you're done with the steaming, apply your tomato scrub all over your face with neck and gently do massage for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, wash it with normal water. Also remember to apply rose water so that your pH value will get maintained. And then now apply your tomato face pack and leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash it with normal water. Anyway, you will feel the difference, but not in the same day, but in the next day. Benefits of doing this tomato facial is, first of all, you will feel how clear and clean in the same day you did this facial. Regularly doing this facial, you will get brighten and improves skin complexion. Even it can reduces acne, pimple, dark spot and even black marks. Overall, this tomato facial is amazing to anybody to do at home with low cost and highly end results. Hope you really find this video very helpful. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to like this video and subscribe my channel to enjoy more beauty tips in future. Thank you so much. Bye.
नए वीडियोस की अपडेट पाने के लिए चैनल की बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कीजिए।